My name is Musa Abdulkareem. I am a blockchain engineer at Nethermind. So I finished from Web3Bridge Part 8. Before Web3Bridge, in fact, some months into while I was still in Web3Bridge, I was a product designer. So before I switched to development, I was a designer, a brand designer, a product designer. So I switched into development and I came into Web3Bridge to learn about blockchain engineering. Web3, it gave me environment, the knowledge, people, accommodation, internet. Like one of those things that I also had was perfection of the different skills that I had. So I perfected my front-end skills. I perfected my back-end. So by perfection, it's just like pushing them to in a way that yes, I'm comfortable with a lot of them. Actually, the whole of it, and the reason was because at Web3Bridge, I think the maximum that any teacher was going to use was like 2 weeks with us, and each of the teachers, they had like different vibes. So, and they were all enjoyable. At the time, I don't know about any other school that teaches Web3. So, but after that, I've seen a lot of other schools that teach Web3, and the recommendation that I give to anyone is that they should just go to Web3Bridge. No matter what, you should just go. Even if it is just online, even if you are not accepted into the course, but you just online, just do that. When I came to Web3Bridge, I never expected this kind of growth that I've experienced. Like it's the most rapid growth that I've ever experienced in my life. When I was leaving Web3Bridge, I knew that yes, I have everything that I need. That if I want to impact and to make value. So I was thinking that even if I don't get a job, that maybe I'm going to be doing smart contract auditing on Twitter like that. So we thank God. Later on, we won an hackathon. That was the hackathon that happened at the Web3 Lagos conference. I and a team. So all of us in the team were together at Web3Bridge. So we won the hackathon. And that same day, so I also got an internship to Lambda class. So that was where I joined the sparkling water bootcamp. So where I learned applied cryptography. So and after that, I currently now am in Nethermind as a blockchain engineer. And I was also part of those that got the StackNet developers grant. And so all of those, it's because of number one, coming to Web3Bridge and seeing that the way others were doing, there's no way I was going to skip. So I also had to continue to contribute, and everything is paying off.